If you've heard about the February 1 monetization change, you already know the number 8,000 watch hours, double what it used to be. And right now, a lot of creators are panicking. They are thinking the same thing, I just need more views. More views and more views. So they are chasing viral topics, trending sounds, big thumbnails, huge numbers. Here's the uncomfortable part. That might be actually the wrong move. Views and watch hours are not the same thing. And in this video, I'm going to give you 5 things you should start doing immediately to fix that gap. The fifth one is the big one. It's connected to something most creators spend months and months chasing without realizing it's not actually the thing that gets them monetized. Stick around because it changes how you should be planning every upload from here on. I've seen channels pull in hundreds, even thousands of views per video and still barely move their watch hours. And I've seen channels pull 10,000s of views and shoot towards monetization way faster. Same platform, same algorithm, completely different results. Why? Because views are just people clicking. What happens after the click is actually what builds your watch hours. Here's the simple math. Watch time equals to views multiplied by average view duration. 10,000 views at 2-minute average watch time gives you 20,000 minutes. That's about 333 hours. 10,000 views at 5-minute average watch time gives you 50,000 minutes. That's over 833 hours. Same number of people walk through the door. One channel gets 2.5 times more watch time just because people stayed longer. Now take it one step further. What if that same viewer doesn't watch just one video but moves into a second one and a third? You're not getting a new views for that, you're getting free watch hours from a viewer you already had. That idea, getting more time out of people you already reach, is what the whole video is about. Strategy 1. End screen. The last 20 seconds of your video are some of the most valuable real estate you have. Because right there, the viewer is deciding one of the two things. Leave YouTube or watch something else of yours. Most creators waste this moment. They just drop a generic end screen with no setup and viewers scroll away before it even loads. Here's the fix. Before your end screen appears, say something out loud that creates a reason to click. Not just, check out my video. That means nothing. Give them an actual problem to solve. Say, you just made a video called 5 ways to increase YouTube watch hours. Right before it ends, you could say something like, but none of this matters if people are leaving in the first minute. That's exactly the mistake I'm breaking down next. Then your end screen pops up, pointing straight at that video. The goal is simple. Video finishes, next video starts. Not, video finishes and the viewer closes the app. Strategy 2. iCards as curiosity bridges. iCards work the same way, just earlier in the video, and they need to answer a question your viewer is already asking in that moment. Don't just throw a card up randomly in the middle of a video, that's an interruption, and viewers ignore interruption. Instead, build toward a question and let the card answer it. Something like, there's actually one retention mistake that can wreck the average view duration of an otherwise great video. I broke down exactly how it works right there. Then the card appears. You're not pulling the viewer away from what they're watching, you're handling them the next thing they were curious about. That's the difference between a card that gets clicked and the card that gets ignored. Strategy 3. Community post before uploading. Most creators only start promoting a video once it's live. By then you've already lost the chance to build anticipation. Use community posts a day or 2 days before you upload. A simple poll works well. What's stopping you from reaching YouTube monetization? Not enough views, low retention, not enough watch hours, people don't watch my other videos. Then follow it with, I'm breaking down the biggest one of these tomorrow. Or go with a curiosity post. I've been looking into why some channels get thousands of views and still can't move their watch hours. Found something most creators completely miss. Breaking down it tomorrow. Or a problem post. Getting views but your watch hours barely move. Then tease what's coming. This won't guarantee a flood of views, but when the video finally goes live, part of your audience already has a reason to click instead of scrolling past in their feed. Strategy 4. Give people a reason to stay until the end. This one is bigger than a trick. It's about structure. Hook, then immediate value, then curiosity, then more value, then an open loop, then the payoff. Get to the point fast. Skip the long intro. Every 30 seconds, the viewer should be learning something or wondering something. Introduce a problem, give a partial answer, and build towards a real conclusion instead of dumping everything at once. And here's the boundary you can't cross. Never waste time just to pad your runtime. Viewers can feel it instantly when a creator is stalling. The second someone thinks this person is wasting my time, they are gone, and your average view duration drops with them. What you actually want them feeling is the opposite. Every minute here is giving me something. I want to see where this goes. That feeling is what keeps people watching until the end, and it's also exactly what this video is trying to do to you right now. Strategy 5. Build a connected video system. Here's where all 4 of the earliest strategies actually connect. Most creators think in terms of one video, one opportunity. Upload, hope it performs, move to the next one, and repeat. But the channels that get monetized fastest think differently. They think one viewer means multiple opportunities. Picture a simple chain. Video 1. How to get more watch hours on YouTube. That leads into video 2. How to increase your average view duration, which leads to video 3. 5 retention mistakes that are killing your channel, which leads into video 4. How to make people watch more than one video, which leads into video 5. How to reach YouTube monetization faster. Now do the math. A viewer who only watches one video might give you 5 minutes of watch time. Done. But a viewer who pulled through one video, two video, 3, say 5 minutes, then 7 minutes, then 6 minutes, just gave you 18 minutes from one person. No extra ad spend, no extra promotion, no extra views needed, just a better path towards your channel. This is the thing that quietly separates channels with big view counts that are stuck from the channels with small view counts that are already earning. It's not the views, it's what you build for people to walk into next. Every end screen, every iCard, every community post teaser you just learned, they all exist to build this exact system. This is the piece most creators never plan for, because they are too busy chasing the next big view spike instead of building the path to underneath it. So, before your next upload, pick which video you want viewers to go next. Plan your end screen around it. Find one natural spot for an iCard. Write community post teaser. Build one loop into your current script. While you're making the video, hook faster. Deliver value early. Keep curiosity running. Cut the filler. Save your best payoff for later. And tie the topic to another video on your channel. After you upload, add the end screen, add the iCard, post the community update, and then check your retention graph. Find exactly where people are dropping off and fix that spot in your next video. Then keep building the chain. You don't need to panic about the deadline, you need a system that actually pointed at watch hours, not just views. And one more thing before you go. If you're making shorts, this hits you even harder. The shorts requirement is also doubling on February 1, from 10 million views in 90 days to 20 million. So if 10 million already feels far away for you right now, doubling the target is a real problem, not a small one. That's exactly, I asked Claude to help me figure out a way through it, and I put everything into the next video. It's called Claude Just Solved the Shorts View Jail. And if you're serious about getting monetized, that's where you should go next. I'll see you there.